Hello there, everybody. This short video is intended to help you with filling out the Motivation Assessment Scale, otherwise known as the MAS. Your teacher or facilitator will send you the Motivation Assessment Scale via email with the behavior description already added. You may be asked to complete a MAS Motivation Assessment Scale for several different behaviors. As you can see here, the Motivation Assessment Scale is a questionnaire designed to identify those situations in which an individual is likely to behave in certain ways. That is why it is critical that we complete one for each behavior of concern. When you receive this in an email, you may complete electronically again, or you may print it out and complete on paper, scan, or photograph to send back in. But for today's video, we will complete it on the computer screen. You're going to want to make sure that you put in your child's name. And you're going to want to make sure you put in the rater. That's you who's completing it out. It could be John's mom. You might also have John's dad, of course. You might have his speech and language pathologist fill it out. You might have his occupational therapist fill it out. There are plenty of people that are acceptable, and perhaps the more motivation assessment skills you have completed will give the team a better picture of the areas of need. Make sure you include the date that you're completing this and the setting description. The setting description is something that you can go ahead and generically enter as GCA educational environment. Again, the IEP is going to deal with behaviors in relation to a student attending Class Connect sessions or engaging in their curriculum in the OLS, the OHS, or any variety of our online tools. As you're completing this, there's a couple of simple ways to do that. Again, remember you only want to focus on the one behavior at a time. So right now we're going to fill out the MAS on tearing up paper. So you're going to simply go through the questions starting here and answer them using the rating scale. Number 1 says, would the behavior occur continuously over and over if this person was left alone for long periods of time? And one of the easy ways to answer that or respond or indicate your answer when doing it on the computer is just to simply type an X in that spot. You would proceed to the next question. Does the behavior occur following a request to perform a difficult task? And again, a simple X would help you complete that. There are 16 questions to this survey. Simply fill out all 16. You do not need to be concerned with filling out the relative rankings. Your teacher/facilitator will help do that for you and then report back that information to the team. But you are responsible for filling out those 16 survey questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.